welcome to my channel. If you're new, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out all my other videos. And if you're visiting again, thank you for coming back to my channel, and make sure you guys give this video a like, as well as to go check out any other videos that you may have missed. So today in this video, I plan on making some lip gloss for various reasons, and I just want to pretty much make it now first, just before I go on and think of anything else. So today I pretty much have everything prepared. I have a mask, and I have some gloves, just so we can make sure that we're doing things the clean way. I have my TKB gloss base that I have. Do you guys see that? There you go. And then I have different gloss flavors. Well, at first I have my oil. I have vitamin E oil that I got. I got it from my local Rite Aid. I figured I'd use vitamin E oil because it's for the skin, and other people might be allergic to some oils, you never know. And then I have different natural, I have flavors to go into my lip glosses. I have coconut flavor. I got lime, I won't be able to see that there, lime flavor. And then I have vanilla butternut flavor as well. I got my lip gloss. I don't know what you want to call them, tubes, my lip gloss tubes. And then I also have like syringes and everything that I should need to put it all in. And I'll put the links to everything in the bio if you guys are interested in making your own lip glosses or for other various reasons. So I have this the big red bowl that I'm going to make it in. And everything's clean. Some lip glitter to go into it. So we're going to see how everything comes out. This is my first time, so bear with me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give it a like, and let's get into making this lip gloss. Alright guys, so I got my mask on, and I'm about to put my gloves on. Low-key feels like I'm doing like surgery right now or something. I feel like I'm like about to be doing some operation. Alright guys, so for the first step, I'm just going to put the TKB gloss base inside of the bowl. So that was just one bag of the TKB gloss base. I got two 5.5 ounces of the TKB gloss base. But since it was my first time, I decided to just go ahead and use one. Next, I'm going to be adding my vitamin E oil. I chose vitamin E oil because it helps to moisturize your skin, as well as I felt that it's relevant to use because people could be allergic to coconut oils or any other oils. Alright, so next we're going to add the lip gloss glitter. I chose to do Icicle because I wanted to go for a more clear lip gloss, but if you plan on doing anything else, you can use any other kind of glitter that you would like. Once everything is added into the lip gloss base, I'm just going to go ahead and mix it all together to a point where I like it and to where I feel it's thick enough to use as a lip gloss. So this is what it looks like after mixing it. The oil did add some color to it, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. For the flavor and the smell of the lip gloss, I'm going to add the vanilla butternut flavor to it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and mix it all in with the rest of the ingredients. So the lip gloss here is pretty much done. This was the messy part for me because I tried to add it into the syringes, and I found out that the tubes that I have, or the syringes to put inside the tubes, were too small for me to try to add it, so it took forever. So yeah, if you guys want any help with that part, you guys can probably go and search up another video for that. But this is pretty much the finished look. This is the my tube that I have, and I have lip gloss in there. I got it in there surprisingly. So this is my tube lip gloss. So we're going to test my homemade lip gloss for the first time. So let's see how this came out, and let's see if I'm willing to let others try it. Well, it's a nice little gloss. I did okay for my first time. This was fun, worth trying. But that's how you guys make lip gloss. It's very simple, very easy. I got everything off of Amazon, the tubes, the base, the flavor oils, what's needed to go into the tubes. Like I said, I got my vitamin E oil from Rite Aid, so that's that. And yeah, I'm excited for my little self. Look at my little, you know, this could probably be a product in the making, who knows. But yeah, so I hope that you guys like this video. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope that you guys will be tuned in to more videos. And yeah, thank you. Bye.